Despite mass vaccinations currently conducted for the whole of Samoa, fatalities are recorded every day and more measles patients are at risk, a number that is predicted to increase in the next few days. To date, the Ministry of Health confirms 55 measles-related deaths with 2 fatalities in the last 24 hours, and a total of 3,881 measles cases have been reported to the disease surveillance team since the outbreak started. There were 153 recorded in the last 24 hours. This alarming rate had the government come to a conclusion to shut down all government ministries and public enterprises for 2 days in order to conduct mass vaccinations for all villages, especially the isolated areas. Prime Minister Tula Upolu and Savai'i during his public speech yesterday conveyed sympathies to all families who have been affected and urged Samoa to stand up and work together to continue its fight against measles.
I extend to all the families that have lost loved ones and the children of Samoa our condolences and sympathies. Our prayers are also extended to those affected for speedy recovery.
Since the outbreak, volunteers, nurses and doctors from around the Pacific and the world have travelled miles and miles to Samoa to lend a helping hand, while our local organisation and individuals are also in the forefront in providing from as much as a couple of hundreds of monetary donations to food, diapers, sheets, medical equipment for the health sector and also to families who have been affected. As of December 2nd, 2019, the estimated vaccination coverage in both Upolu and Savai'i are 67% of infants and children aged 6 months to 4 years old, 81% of children aged 5 to 19 years old, 67% of women aged 20 to 35 years old, and 31% of the remaining population in Samoa. Apart from the mass vaccinations campaign, a mass survey is also in process to follow up on the measles vaccination. Utita Antilea for Telephone.